Hi guys, welcome back. This video is going to be soft glam makeup plus horror storytelling. So, let's get started.
The Haunted Ventriloquist Doll. The story of the Haunted Ventriloquist Doll is a chilling tale that combines childhood nostalgia with creepy supernatural elements. Marty, a young girl in the 1990s, was a fan of ventriloquist Edgar Bergen and his dummy sidekick, Charlie McCarthy. A ventriloquist is a performer who uses their voice to create the illusion that a puppet or dummy is speaking. One day, while exploring a small magic shop outside of Santa Rosa, California, Marty's father stumbled upon a ventriloquist doll. Thinking it would make a perfect birthday gift for his daughter, he decided to buy it. As he was completing the purchase, the cashier gave him an unsettling warning, saying, "You know, when you put your hand inside the doll, he's going to come alive." Although the comment sent a shiver down his spine, he laughed it off, believing it to be a joke, and brought the doll home to Marty. When Marty got the doll, she was beyond happy. She described her happiness, saying, "I was so happy when I got that doll. I was obsessed." The doll quickly became her prized possession, and she took great care of it, often playing with it and showing it off to friends and family. However, it wasn't long before strange things began to happen. Despite the doll being made of hard plastic, Marty noticed that its expression seemed to change. Sometimes it appeared to smile or frown, which was impossible for a lifeless object. This unsettling phenomenon made her family uneasy, and they decided to keep the doll in a cupboard at night to prevent any further strange occurrences. One night, the family was awakened by the sound of pitter-patter footsteps in the living room. Assuming it was their dog or another family member, they went to investigate. To their shock, they found the doll sitting on the couch, even though they had put it away. This incident left them feeling disturbed, as they distinctly remembered placing the doll in the cupboard. As time went on, other unsettling events occurred. One day, while Marty and her father were out, her uncle was home alone. He suddenly heard someone calling his name from the living room, and he assumed it was Marty's father. When he went to check, he found the doll sitting on the couch again. With no one else around, this incident heightened the family's fear of the doll. Marty recalled, "All of our family was pretty much scared of the doll. People would start hearing their names being called, and we would hear walking at night." The growing fear led them to the conclusion that they needed to get rid of the doll for good. Being a Mexican family with strong religious beliefs, Marty's parents were concerned that the doll might be possessed or demonic. They decided to burn it to rid themselves of any evil influence. They placed the doll on the grill, but to their surprise, it wouldn't catch fire. Not giving up, they tried to cut the doll up with a knife, but that too was unsuccessful. The doll remained intact, seemingly impervious to their attempts to destroy it. Finally, in desperation, they threw it in the trash can, hoping it would be gone for good. However, after the garbage was collected, Marty's father went to check the bin, only to find the doll back inside. Determined to rid themselves of the doll once and for all, they decided to bury it in their backyard. They dug a deep hole and filled it with cement, believing that this would ensure it would never return. Even after moving away from that house, Marty and her family couldn't shake the feeling of unease. They often thought about the doll and worried that it might eventually find one of us. The story of Marty and her haunted ventriloquist doll is a classic tale of childhood fascination, turned into a nightmare.
Bye, love you.